In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use snap mode in LEGO Fortnite. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily use snap mode during your builds in LEGO Fortnite. So as you might be aware, let's say you get some building parts and you place them down. Now you want them to look lined up, so you try to go over here, and as you can see, it's kind of lined up but not really, and you're never really sure. So there is an easier way to place and line these things down, snap mode. So all that you have to do is hold right click. So if you look at the bottom of my screen, I won't be able to highlight this because if I move my cursor, it's going to go away, but you will see a lot of tags. So you have build, left click, and then snap mode, hold in parentheses, right click. Of course, if you are on console, this is going to be different, but regardless, all that you have to do is hold right click. Immediately upon holding right click, you are going to enter this different mode. And if you look at the specific building piece, you will be able to see these circles or squares. These squares indicates the places where you can snap this building part that you are holding. So as you can see, it snaps perfectly into place, so you never have to be in doubt if it is lined up, if it is up, down, and so on. So just hold right click and then left click to build as usual. As you can see, I can second tag. An example where this is really useful is if you are trying to make a long bridge. So as you can see, instead of trying to do it like this where it's super inconvenient, just hold right click and now you are able to quickly build a bridge like so. So all that you have to do is hold right click, of course, if you are on PC. If you are playing LEGO Fortnite on console, the button is going to be different, but all you have to do is look at the bottom of the screen right over here where I'm hovering my mouse. So all that you have to do is hold right click. This should work between every single building part. Most of them are going to be compatible. So as you can see, I can use these foundations, I can use these blocks, and most of them will snap into place as long as the space allows them to. Even this one, I'm able to get in some specific spots underneath. So all that you have to do is hold right click. It's as simple as that. Some items will have weird interactions with others, and for example, this castle railing doesn't have any sort of snap, but if you get an item that does snap into place, you just have to hold right click, and usually it is going to be used for the foundations and the pillars like I had mentioned prior. Now, if for whatever reason it isn't snapping into place, as you can see here, this can indicate that this specific item doesn't have the functionalities or it is restricted to other different sets of items. But for the foundations, you will absolutely find a lot of usage in doing this. It is by far the most commonly used item with snap, and all that you have to do is hold right click and then look at any of these available white squares or circles in another part. I hope I was able to help you on how to use snap mode in LEGO Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.